Welcome to Vray Sketchup series. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. In this video, we are going to extrude some walls, turn them into solid groups, and finally unify them with this awesome tool called outer shell, and check out the results. So we have here an imported AutoCAD drawing, and we're going to extrude the walls by first creating faces. Let's draw a line. Another one here. And this one. And finally here. Let's erase this face. Now let's turn each face into individual groups, starting with this face. Select, go to the Edit tab, and scroll down to Make Group. Let's do the same with this face. Another one here. And finally this one. Now we are ready to extrude. Double click. Let's make the height 3 meters. Same with this one. And this one. Get out of the group and double click. The usual way to delete these unwanted lines is by getting inside the group by double clicking on it and using this eraser tool. But there's a better way to delete these unwanted lines, and I'm going to show it now. Let me just undo things. So a better way of deleting these unwanted lines is by simply selecting two or more groups, and we go to the Tools menu and click Outer Shell. This also unifies the two selected groups into a single unit. If you need to pin the toolbar for this command, just go to the View menu and select Solid Tools. And here's the button for Outer Shell. Shoutout nga pala sa anak kong si Diana May na nasa Qatar. I miss you na. 3 taon ka na dyan. Bakasyon ka muna dito kahit mga ilang buwan lang, saka ka bumalik. Pero huwag mong kalilimutan yung mga t-shirt ha. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Mabuhay mga Pinoy Visualizers.